All right, I don't like making these videos. One, because I like helping people hit $100,000 per month. And two, because there's enough shysters out there on YouTube telling you what you need to do and why you're not where you want to be. Now, despite that, the reason I'm making this video is because this is literally like the easiest way to hit your first $10,000 a month with an agency. Now, you might be wondering, who the fuck is this guru piece of shit? Well, my name's Dylan Wilson. And what I have done is I've scaled Wilson Media to 20K a month at 19, Outwork Media to 25K a month, RSC to 69K a month. And now I run a Marketing HoldCo, which means I leverages my services on the front end to get equity in my clients' businesses. On the front end, we do about $212,000 per month, and we have equity in 3 of our 7-figure client companies. Now, why should you care? Well, because 4 out of 5 agencies that I help add 10 to 50K per month to their agency, and I've serviced over 523 clients in the last 2 years that I've been doing this, and you can see some of the results that we've been able to get for our clients. Now, this is the literal easiest way to make your first $10,000 a month in 30 days, even if you're a full-blown dummy. And I'm using the word dummy because that's the only word that YouTube would allow me to use in this video. Okay. Step 1, you're going to find consumer-based industries that get repeat purchases. So what does that mean? Again, I'm making this for dummies. That means you're targeting consumers. You're targeting everyday people. You're not targeting businesses. And you're finding industries where people repeatedly buy that product or service. So an example, right? Home improvement is not an example of this, because in home improvement, yes, it's targeting consumers, but when people renovate their home, they don't do that again next month, right? However, landscaping or lawn care is a repeat purchase, because when people cut their lawn this month, they're probably also going to want to cut their lawn next month. Right? So examples of these services and industries could be personal grooming services, fitness and wellness services, home cleaning services, pet care services, auto maintenance services, laundry, and even dry cleaning services as well. Okay. Once you've established the niche, the industry that you're going to choose, you're going to offer to get them 10 free clients. So you're going to offer to get them 10 free clients without them paying for ad spends, commission, or anything like that. Now, when you send this offer, people are going to be like, I don't trust you. That's too good to be true. That's what they're going to say, because you're a random scammer on the internet like me, DMing people or emailing people, and there's 100 others doing the exact same thing. So we want to justify this offer by saying, after I get results, all I'd ask for is a testimonial. Then step number 3, we're going to send 10,000 outbound messages. Now, these could be emails, these could be DMs, these could be cold calling, anything like that. It could even be door knocking, although that would probably be a lot of hard work and take a long time. Now, once complete, you're going to be making at minimum $120,000 a year with this. You lazy fuck. So if you think 10,000 messages is a lot, it is. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you. Like, that is a lot of messages, and that is going to take some time. But once you're done, think about where you will be. Think about how your life will be different. Think about all the good things that are going to happen in your life. So my question to you is, 10,000 messages worth $120,000 to you? Probably is. So go do it. Step number 4 is you're going to book 3% of context, because your offer is stupidly good. They have no reason not to take you up on this unless they don't trust you. But at least 3% will give you the benefit of the doubt. And that's why we're going to continue split test your scripts until you book 3%. So if you've done this, if you're starting to do this and you've sent 2,000 messages and you've only booked 1%, well, then you have a script problem. What you are saying to people either isn't getting opened, isn't getting read, or it is getting open, is getting read, but people just aren't interested. So we need to change the angles. We need to change the scripts. We should always be split testing at least 2 scripts at any given time, doubling down on the winners, tracking the data, and optimizing it until we're at a 3% meeting book rate. Step number 5, of the 300 meetings we book, approximately 880 of them will show, and approximately 30% of them will close. Because remember, it's a 100% free offer. Right? So of the 300 meetings, you'll probably get a roughly 60% show rate. Of those, if you can't close approximately 30% on this, I hate to break it to you, but you're not cut out for this. Like, this is the easiest it will get. This is the easiest offer you could ever make to close. Now, the only obstacle that you're going to have to overcome in this is the I don't trust you. right? So what you're going to do is you're going to have the frame of, listen, I'm just trying to get my business off the ground as a damaging admission to establish trust with the prospects. Then you're also going to tell your story, your backstory, why you got into this, and build a human to human connection so you can earn an ounce of trust with your prospect. And with the trust, the offer will sell itself. Then you're going to run a free acquisition channel for your new client. So let's say you book the 300 meetings, 180 show, you close 30%. That's 54 people that you have closed. Now, for your 54 clients, you can either run a database reactivation campaign, which is essentially when you take all of their contacts and do 3 or 4 email blasts and 3 or 4 text messages blasts, making them a new offer to re-engage with that business and start to work with them again. Or you can post an organic story and feed ads to their social media accounts. So what that looks like is that, let's say, they have an Instagram account. Well, for 7 days, you post a story a day, making an offer. On day 1, you post the offer. On day 2, you post social proof offer. On day 3, you add urgency and scarcity and offer. And then on day 4, you make a last call. Again, it's all going back to their same offer. Or you can do a combination of both. If you do both, this gets really easy to get results. Step number 7, you're going to get those results. So 54 campaigns. If you only have a 50% success rate, you're going to have 27 case studies. You have a 50% conversion rate on a $1,000 to $5,000 continuation offer. You now have approximately 13 paying clients and 27 case studies. With 13 paying clients and 27 case studies, you're above $10,000 per month, and you have more than enough case studies that you need to continue selling paid upfront. Or you could just continue doing this and just continue to scale your agency that way. Final note, you're welcome. Okay. This is literally the easiest, bulletproof, stupid proof way to make your first 10K a month with an agency. Hope you guys got value out of this video. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I appreciate the hell out of you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one.